Welcome to our video on how to pack for a long-term backpacking trip. Backpacking is an exciting way to explore the world and immerse yourself in different cultures. But, packing for a long-term backpacking trip can be challenging, especially if you're not sure what to bring. In this video, we'll provide you with some helpful tips and tricks to help you pack efficiently and effectively for your next adventure. 1. Choose the right backpack. The first step to packing for a long-term backpacking trip is to choose the right backpack. Look for a backpack that is comfortable, durable, and has plenty of storage space. You should also consider the size of the backpack based on the length of your trip. 2. Make a packing list. Create a packing list that includes all the essentials you will need for your trip. This list should include items such as clothing, toiletries, electronics, and any other necessary travel items. It's important to be selective with your items and only bring what you really need to avoid overpacking. 3. Pack clothes wisely. When it comes to packing clothes for a long-term backpacking trip, it's important to choose versatile and lightweight clothing that can be worn in different settings. Pack clothing items that can be layered for warmth, and choose materials that are quick-drying and wrinkle-resistant. Remember to pack according to the climate of your destination. 4. Organize your packing. Organize your packing by using packing cubes or compression sacks. These tools help to maximize space in your backpack and keep your items organized. You can also use Ziploc bags to separate and protect your toiletries and electronics. 5. Bring essential travel items. In addition to clothing and toiletries, don't forget to bring essential travel items such as a travel towel, first aid kit, water bottle, and a headlamp. These items will come in handy during your trip and can be lifesavers in certain situations. 6. Consider laundry options. If you're going on a long-term backpacking trip, you'll need to consider laundry options. Look for hostels or accommodations with laundry facilities or bring a travel-size laundry detergent to wash your clothes in the sink. 7. Leave room for souvenirs. Finally, leave some extra space in your backpack for souvenirs or items you may acquire during your trip. You don't want to have to leave anything behind because you didn't have room in your backpack. Packing for a long-term backpacking trip can seem overwhelming, but with the right tools and a little planning, it can be a smooth and stress-free experience. Remember to choose the right backpack, make a packing list, pack wisely, and bring essential travel items. We hope these tips help you pack efficiently and effectively for your next adventure. Thanks for watching.